Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we are with Mr.
Ashok Nanda,
Author of.
The Death of Sarath Raut.
So sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
Oh, it's amazing, too big.
Sir, can you tell us a little bit more about your book?
This book is about the society, the Indian society in the Eastern India in 50s and 60s.
Right.
How the people are living, their values, their norms, and much more.
So this will educate people about our
About the caste
roots.
system and actually how there is a lot of hypocrisy in this.
Right.
Maybe most Brahmins, for their own needs, they don't believe in the caste system.
Exactly.
Like a Brahmin would visit a untouchable caste hamlet in the night to
Right.
visit a woman,
Right.
while he puts his sacred thread on the ear. But in the daytime, he says they're untouchable.
Huh.
So I'm explaining those intricacies.
Right. That's wonderful. I think a lot of people should be educated more about this. So thank you so much for sharing this with us.
Thank you.
So congratulations on being a published author, and I hope you have a wonderful book.
Thank you.
Thank you.